I might have found the perfect resin printer that will change everything. In all earnest, I think that is the key for me. Consistency.
Pero, ¿qué hace a esta diferente? Pues quedaros que os va a sorprender, porque tiene una cantidad de cosas nuevas y bastante chulas que seguro que no te van a dejar indiferente.
Now, if you're looking for a large form resin printer, this is the one to go to. Let's give it the score. This machine, for me, gets a 10 out of 10.
This printer deserves our attention as it's packed with so many good ideas.
Uniformation GK2.
The Uniformation GK2.
GK2.
The Uniformation GK2. The Uniformation GK2.
This is the Uniformation GK2.
Uniformation GK2.
This is the Uniformation GK2.
So, out of nowhere, Uniformation have just appeared to compete with all the big dogs in the 3D printer scene, and you know what? Crushed it.